Hey everybody, Kevin Walters here with Kevin's Auto Channel, and I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on with the Honda. Well, I went by the body shop today and was looking at the Honda, talked to them. They said that hopefully by next Tuesday or Wednesday it will go into paint. All the body work will be done. And then they said hopefully by the end of next week I'll get the car back. I looked at it. They've got it disassembled. They got all the tail lights out. They've got the rear bumper off. They've got the quarter glass out. And so she's looking pretty rough right now. But I was looking at the trunk also where the crease was. And they've got the dent out, but I can still see that crease. So I'm interested to see what happens with that and how well the car comes out. The roof is still dented. Looks like hail damage, but it's from the tree. The seal up at the top is still damaged. So we'll see. They've got a lot of work still to do, and I knew it was going to take a while because they've got other vehicles they're working on, so they're just working on them in shifts. And hopefully when we get the car back in another week and a half, maybe 2 weeks at the most, hopefully it will be good as new. So looking forward to getting it back and start working on the plan to get the Mustang. I'm going to be working hard. I've signed up with Lyft to start driving, be a Lyft driver, and so we're going to see how that goes. Hopefully that'll get some extra money in my pocket to pay it off quicker. So that's what's going on for now. If I find out anything else, I will let you know. Well, it's Kevin Walters. I'll see you in the next one.